Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johor Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. Smallest 5 digit number formed with the help of the digit 1, 0, 5, 7 and 9 is. So we have to form smallest number, so we write smallest digit first, that is 1, after that 0, after that 5, 7, 9. So B is the right answer. Question number 2. Calculate the LCM of 35, 70 and 105. Question number 2. 35, 70, 105. 5, 7, 14, 21. 7, 1, 2, 3. So LCM equal to 5 into 7 into 2 into 3, that is 10, 210. So C is the right answer. Question number 3. Find the value of 0.5 into 0.5 into 5 plus 0.5 divided by 0.005. So we can write the expression, that is 0.5 into 0.5 into 5 plus 0.5 divided by 0.005. This is 1.25 plus 0.5 by 0.005. Eliminating point, we get 1, 2, 3, 1. So 1.25 plus 100 equal to 101.25. So B is the right answer. Question number 4. In a school, 1/3 of total students are girls. If the number of boys in the school is 450, then find the total number of students in the school. 4. 1/3 girls. So rest, that is 1 minus 1/3, that is 3, 2/3 boys. So 2/3 boys. So according to question, 2/3 equal to 450. 1 equal to 450 into 3/2, 25, that is 675. So total number of students in the school is 675. B is the right answer. Question number 5. A 200-meter long train crosses a bridge in 25 seconds at the speed of 72 km per hour. Find the length of the bridge. In 1 hour, train cover 72 kilometer, that is 72,000 meter. In 1 hour, that is 3,600 seconds, train cover 72,000 meter, or 1 second train cover 72,000 by 3,600 meter, that is 20 meter. In 25 seconds, train cover 20 into 25, that is 500 meter. In 25 seconds, train cover 500 meter. Length of the train is 200 meter. So length of the bridge is length of the bridge, that is 500 minus 200, that is 300 meter. So C is the right answer. Question number 6. The ratio of length and breadth of a rectangle is 7:5. Perimeter of the rectangle is 120 meter. Then find its area. So question number 6. Let length be, that is 7x, and breadth, that is 5x. So perimeter, that is 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into 7x plus 5x, that is 24x. So according to question, 24x equal to 120 meter, or x equal to 120 by 24, that is 5. Length equal to 7x, that is 7 into 5, that is 35, and breadth, that is 5x, so 5 into 5, that is 25. So area, that is length into breadth, that is 35 into 25. We got 25, 5 is 125, 5 carry 12, 5 3 is 75, 12, 87, 875. So B is the right answer. Question number 7. Mark price of a shirt is rupees 250. If the shopkeeper offer 16% discount, then the selling price of that shirt is. Question number 7. Selling price is, that is 250 into 100 minus 16 by 100, that is 250 into 84 by 100, 5 2 42, that is 210. So C is the right answer. Question number 8. Cost price of 8 tables and 5 chairs is rupees 7200. Then cost of 24 tables and 15 chairs is. So first we calculate the ratio of tables and chair. So table ratio chair, that is 8 ratio 5 in first case. In second case, table ratio chair, that is 24 ratio 15, 8 ratio 5. In both cases, the ratio of chair and table is same. So we have to ignore one. So we ignore chair. So cost of 8 tables is 7200. Cost of 1 tables, that is 7200 by 8, and cost of 24 tables, that is 7200 by 8 into 24, 3. So it's become 006 21,600. So B is the right answer. Question number 9. At what time a sum of money double itself at the rate of 12% per annum simple interest? So let principal 100 rupees, we can get the double money, that is interest is 100. and rate that is 12%. When we deposit 100 money in a bank, we get double money, that is we get 200 money from the bank. So as a interest we get 100. So time is I into 100 by P into R, that is 100 into 100 by P, that is 100 into R, that is 12. That is 8 whole 1 by 3. So 8 year and 1 by 3 into 12 months. So 8 years 4 months. So C is the right answer. Question number 10. The following pictograph shows the number of shoes manufactured in a company during the 4 months. So in January 2, February 3, March 5 and April 3. So question is, in which month number of shoes manufactured is highest? In pictograph clearly shows that in March number of shoes manufactured is highest. So C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.